Where do you turn when you need immediate medical attention? Whether it's getting a simple prescription from the doctor, or dealing with a child's sudden fever in the middle of the night, or maybe like millions of other Americans, you're under or uninsured and can't afford a trip to the emergency room. Stop wasting time sitting around a crowded waiting room when you can pick up the phone and get the medical care you need right now from the comfort of your own home. Hello, I'm Gail Guayardo and welcome to Access Gail. Today, I'm going to tell you about a breakthrough in medical care. Introducing Call MD, a network of healthcare providers that are just a phone call away. As a Call MD subscriber, you're no longer on the doctor's schedule. If you need a physician, simply pick up the phone and get the medical attention you and your family need where and when you need it.
Allergy season came upon me and it snuck up on me. I woke up in the morning, stuffy head, all the symptoms. I called Call MD. They took all the information down. The doctor was very helpful. He understood my situation. Within 2 hours, I went to my local pharmacy, picked up my prescription, and I was all set.
This is the kind of healthcare once only available to stars and athletes. In fact, three-time Super Bowl champ Darren Woodson uses Call MD for himself and his family. I'll sit down with Darren in just a couple of minutes. Also coming up, find out how you can try Call MD for yourself through this exclusive TV offer. But first, let's meet the qualified physicians Call MD subscribers have access to that make it possible to have one-on-one medical care 24/7.
We are a service that provides year-round, 24-hour access to physicians for a host of medical issues.
Dr. Pierce, Dr. Rassel, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
So let's talk triage. That is really on the front line of Call MD, such an important part of this network.
Yeah, I think Call MD, Gail, is so overdue. There's so many people out there that need to speak with a physician to make certain decisions. Gail, this is a safety net for all Americans, insured and uninsured. Even if you do have insurance, sometimes it's only emergency care, and you don't have the ability to ask your physician on a daily basis specific questions about your insulin, about your child.
And the way you have Call MD set up, it's exactly like going to the doctor's office, because what you can do over the phone is just the same, maybe even better than being in a face-to-face meeting.
It's so far advanced, it's so overdue, and this is where everything's moving.
And it serves the whole family, the children, the elderly patients, yourself. You may have an obstetrical question. It can all be geared in one conversation, in one phone call.
And you can have that anywhere from a college campus while you're on vacation, because if you need medical help, you need it now. If I need a prescription for an allergy attack or anything, I can't wait.
And Gail, you brought up a perfect point. We can give prescriptions. You need a prescription now, and some certain particular questions can be asked on that phone call and get you relief.
And if we catch things early, it's so much easier to treat. It's so much more cost effective. Think about it, you call within minutes or within an hour, you have your answer, and it relieves your anxiety. You have a better system in place.
Affordable peace of mind.
Affordable peace of mind.
NFL great Darren Woodson says Call MD is no different than the VIP treatment he received when he was with the Dallas Cowboys. You traveled with the Cowboys. You had a medical team with you all the time. You always had that concierge service.
Right, the VIP service, that's what we used to say as players. And you always had a doctor on the plane or a doctor in a hotel, or if it was 3 o'clock in the morning and you were at home, you could always call your doctor to find out what's going on. So I needed to go get a prescription. They were there to go, call and get a prescription for me. With Call MD, it's become exactly the same, even better.
And Call MD has advanced online support. Check out this interactive symptom advisor that lets you pinpoint exactly what you're experiencing on a virtual patient while you're on the phone with a Call MD doctor or nurse. And use Call MD's site to search for accurate advice on acute and chronic health issues instead of stumbling upon medical myths and misinformation. From online support to calling a doctor 24/7, even connecting to a local physician face-to-face, Call MD can make it happen.